Ndizo Chete, Jandinoda by Mafrik. It was number one on all platforms, especially on Power FM, which was our major, station at that time. So Alexio sings to me the song in Indoda Musikana akanaka. I remember we started working on it Maneru, and we spent the whole night. I was just doing whatever I was doing, trying to impress Madara or studio stuff. And the song was beautiful. We finished it in the morning, Kwaedza. And it was nice. It was the best thing I had ever done in my life, and he loved it. And the fact that he loved it and Prof G loved it for me was enough to say, you know what, this is good. But it didn't end there. The song went to radio. The song was number one. It was not just number one for 1 week. It removed Chakuza Chete by Mafrik and stayed on the charts for over 2 months, 3 months, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's safe to say we were the people that gave Chamembe and Chingutiro a run for their money during that time, because nobody expected anything to come out of that generation if it's not coming out from Tech 5, Chamembe or TBA Chingutiro. It wasn't proper. I remember Delani had kind of taken more like a back step for a bit during that time, and everybody had shifted to Chamembe. So to then get MacDee in Nana Flash, doing stuff, it was like, what's happening in Warren Park? After that song, after Musikana akanaka, people started asking, who did this? Alexio would tell them, MacDee. He was working at Radio Zimbabwe, if I'm not mistaken. And I tried to see on a birthday, Radio Zimbabwe, the studio. And then he would tell them, next thing I see Extra Large coming. They want to work with me. We did a song. Am I Linda? Small House. And the next thing I see Leonard Mafumo coming. Next thing I see this person coming. Everybody just started coming. Because wherever the fire was, everybody wanted to be there. So I can safely say he was the key to unlock my journey as a music producer.